শর্ট কনভারসেশন পার্ট 4। এই কনভারসেশনগুলো কয়েকবার শুনলে ইংলিশে বলার দক্ষতা বাড়বে।
Asking question in future simple or future indefinite tense. Exercise 1.
I won't eat chowmein.
What will you eat?
I will eat egg roll. I won't drink lassi.
What will you drink?
I will drink fruit juice. I won't have tea with breakfast.
What will you have?
I will have coffee. We won't cook biryani in the picnic.
What will you cook?
We will cook pulao. She won't give any toys to Tom.
What will she give to him?
She will give him a book on spoken English. Today they won't paint this room.
What will they paint?
They will paint the doors and windows. Today we won't play football.
What will you play?
We will play volleyball. I won't take homeopathic medicine for this problem.
What will you take?
I will take allopathic medicine. We won't play any DJ music in this ceremony.
What will you play?
We will play only religious songs. After graduation, he won't do MA.
What will he do?
He will do B.Ed.
Exercise 2.
We won't go there by bus.
How will you go there?
We will go there by car. They won't come here by bike.
How will they come here?
They'll come here by Tata Sumo. I won't send this letter by registered post.
How will you send it?
I will send it by courier. They won't paint the wall with brush.
How will they paint?
They will paint with roller. I won't make it by machine.
How will you make it?
I will make it by hand. Today we won't send the kids by school bus.
How will you send them?
We will send them by our family car. She won't do it in this way.
How will she do it?
She will do it in her own way. We won't fry this in ghee.
How will you fry this?
We will fry this in palm oil. They won't lift those materials on the roof using lift.
How will they lift those on the roof?
They will lift those by crane. I won't inform him over the phone.
How will you inform him?
I will inform him by letter.
Exercise 3. I won't attend the class on Saturday.
What day will you attend the class?
I'll attend the class on Friday. They won't come today.
What day will they come?
They'll come the day after tomorrow. We won't catch Ganade Bata Express.
What train will you catch?
We'll catch Ma Tara Express. I won't take this blue shirt.
Which shirt will you take?
I'll take that white one.
অল্প সংখ্যক জিনিসের মধ্যে কোনটি, সেক্ষেত্রে which। আর অনেক জিনিসের মধ্যে কোনটি, সেক্ষেত্রে what ব্যবহার করা হয়।
My sister won't study English honors.
What will she study?
She'll study Sanskrit honors. I won't pay the full amount.
How much will you pay?
I'll pay a half of the amount. They won't start the repair work today.
What day will they start the work?
They'll start it next Friday. It won't cost so much.
How much will it cost?
It'll cost about 3,000 rupees. I won't invest the money in share market.
Where will you invest the money?
I'll invest it in my own business. We won't spend the puja vacation here.
Where will you spend the puja vacation?
We'll spend the puja vacation in our native village. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Edited by Orpan Das.
Thank you for watching the video.